Before luxury leather can be produced, crocodiles are carefully raised in controlled environments. Their growth,
Scale pattern, size, and body health are key indicators for future leather quality. Each crocodile is assessed periodically to track.
Nutrition is critical for developing robust skin. Carefully controlled diets ensure natural scales, thickness, and elasticity for luxury leather.
Closures are designed to balance movement, sun exposure, and rest. Environmental conditions influence both growth rate and scale pattern precision.
Moisture exposure helps maintain scale flexibility and prevents early cracking, preparing the animal for optimal leather quality in later stages.
Even at night, growth is monitored. Sensors detect anomalies in health or movement.
Periodic health and skin quality checks are essential. Only crocodiles meeting strict criteria advance to the processing phase.
Full-grown crocodiles reach impressive proportions. Size correlates with leather yield, texture, and scale uniformity necessary for luxury products.
Transport to the factory is done under strict protocols to minimize stress and preserve skin integrity. These mature crocodiles represent years of careful growth. Only now, under precise conditions,
Transport begins under strict supervision. Each crocodile is secured in padded compartments with water circulation to maintain skin hydration and prevent stress.
Journeying to the factory is meticulously controlled. Climate, hydration, and stress levels are continuously monitored.
Behind the world's most luxurious leather goods lies a tightly controlled process. This is where
Upon arrival, crocodiles are positioned systematically on reinforced tables. This ensures safety.
Crocodiles are arranged in organized rows to allow efficient inspection and preparation. Maintaining
Every skin entering this facility is fully traceable. Ethical sourcing, documentation, and strict
Luxury begins with selection. Only skins with near-perfect scale patterns and structure are approved.
preservation prevents decay and stabilizes the skin. Precision timing and chemistry protect the material before further processing.
Before tanning begins, skins must be restored to a natural state. Cleanliness at this stage ensures softness and long-term durability. Tanning is the heart of leather making. This step transforms raw skin into stable, long-lasting leather while preserving its unique texture.
Shaping and structure define quality. Controlled pressure ensures consistency without damaging the natural scale pattern.
Coloring is where craftsmanship meets creativity. Each shade is tailored for elite fashion houses demanding absolute perfection.
Slow drying protects texture and prevents cracking. Patience is essential when producing luxury materials.
Only the finest skins earn approval. These leathers are now ready to become timeless luxury bags.
Thickness control determines flexibility, strength, and final application. Shaving perfects the leather's internal consistency. Chemical balance protects long-term durability. Oils restore flexibility and softness essential for luxury leather. Controlled oil levels prevent greasiness while preserving elasticity. Stretching locks the leather's final shape. Surface refinement enhances tactile quality. Uniform dye penetration ensures lasting color. Color precision defines luxury standards.
Human expertise perfects what machines begin.
Controlled drying protects structure and finish. Balanced moisture ensures longevity. Softening creates the signature luxury feel. Glazing produces depth, shine, and elegance.
Symmetry determines product grade.
We must ensure the grade is accurately recorded.
Digital mapping minimizes waste. Edge durability protects structure. Time locks quality in place.
Protection extends luxury lifespan.
Perfection is engineered. Stability ensures consistency. Only elite grades move forward.
Traceability secures authenticity.
Storage preserves perfection. Luxury tolerates no degradation. Precision flow maintains quality. Responsible luxury respects resources.
Compliance protects legitimacy. Continuous improvement sustains excellence.
This leather is now ready for transformation into luxury.
Conditioning stabilizes luxury leather after intensive processing. This calm environment allows...
Not all leather stretches the same. Controlled microtension corrects natural variations without damaging the iconic crocodile scale pattern. Micro-polishing refines touch and appearance. This step enhances visual richness while preserving the natural identity of the leather.
Luxury leather must endure years of exposure. UV testing ensures color integrity under real-world conditions.
Flex testing simulates real usage. Premium leather must return to form without stress marks.
Balanced internal moisture prevents future deformation. Precision here protects long-term performance. Luxury leather must be chemically pure. This step ensures safety, stability, and compliance. Edge reinforcement prevents premature wear during cutting and assembly. This level of inspection separates standard leather from elite-grade material.
This marks the completion of leather processing. The material is now fully prepared for luxury product construction.
Before assembly begins, verification prevents irreversible mistakes. Each sheet must match its assigned production parameters exactly.
Precision cutting starts with intelligent placement. Proper alignment preserves visual harmony and minimizes material waste.
Once cutting begins, there is no correction. Accuracy here determines the structural integrity of the final product.
Rest periods allow leather fibers to recover naturally, preventing distortion during stitching. Edge treatment strengthens high-stress zones and ensures clean assembly during stitching. Pre-formed stitch paths guarantee uniform seams and long-term durability. Stitching binds structure and strength. Every seam must be flawless to withstand years of use. Hidden layers define strength. Reinforcement ensures the bag maintains its form under real-world conditions.
Form setting gives identity. This step permanently defines the bag's silhouette.
This marks the completion of factory construction. Precision, patience, and discipline define true luxury manufacturing.
Resting allows leather fibers to relax and stabilize. This step prevents future warping and cracking.